Let's explore the sound settings on your LG TV. First, go to Settings. Then, click on Sound. You will see many options here. Click on Select Mode. Now you will see different sound modes. Choose the one you like. Go back. Now click on Personalized Sound Wizard. Here, you can make your own sound mode by listening to sample sounds. You will also get an option to compare the old sound with the new one. If you like the new sound, click Apply to save it. Go back. Now click on Sound Out. You will see some sound output options. To listen from the TV, select Use TV Speaker. To use a wired speaker, click on Use Wired Speaker, then select one option. To use a wireless speaker, click on Use Wireless Speaker and choose your device. If you click on LG WOWCAST, you can connect devices that support WOWCAST. Click on External Speaker plus TV Speaker if you want sound from both the TV and the connected speaker, then select one option. Now click on Advanced Settings. Here, you will find more options. Click on Dolby Atmos to turn it on. Click on Balance to adjust sound between left and right speakers. Click on Apply to all inputs to use the same sound setting for all apps. Click on Reset to go back to the default sound settings. Click on Broadcasting on Auracast to connect Auracast-supported devices. Click on Installation Type and select Placement for better sound quality. Click on Auto Volume Adjustment to keep the sound level same on all apps. Click on DTV Audio Setting to choose the audio format for cable or antenna. Now click on Match Screen and Sound. Here, you get two options. Click on TV Speaker Delay to adjust the time gap between the video on the TV screen and the speaker sound. Click on Bypass to match the sound delay from external devices. The option HDMI Input Audio Format will appear when you connect your TV to an HDMI device, like a set-top box. Now you have learned all the sound settings on your LG TV.